Hello, everyone! If you've been looking for a natural and super affordable way to keep your nails clean, shiny, and healthy, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a simple homemade nail care routine using just 3 everyday ingredients: baking soda, lime, and vinegar. And the best part? No fancy tools needed. We'll even use the lime peel instead of a brush. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a lime, we'll use both the juice and the peel, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and of course, a small bowl for mixing. First, take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add it to your bowl. Now, squeeze in the juice from half a lime. You'll see a little fizzing. That's the natural reaction between the lime acid and baking soda. Mix it until you get a soft, spreadable paste. Instead of using a toothbrush, take the empty lime peel you just squeezed, dip the inside of the peel into the paste, and use it to gently rub onto your nails. The peel works like a natural scrubbing pad, while the baking soda and lime juice help remove stains and brighten the nails. Rub each nail for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse your hands well with clean water to remove the paste. You'll already notice your nails looking fresher and cleaner. Now, for an extra step that makes a big difference, take half a cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix it well, then soak your fingertips in this solution for about 2 minutes. Vinegar naturally fights bacteria and fungus, helping to keep your nails healthy and disinfected. And that's it. Your nails are now clean, bright, and refreshed. Using just baking soda, lime, and vinegar, this is such an easy routine you can do once or twice a week for healthier-looking nails without any expensive products. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.